are you doing? What does it look like? Disassembling a pallet? God, that is not how you do that. For real? How else do you do it then? With tools, of course? Jeez. Cool. A weapon. Hey guys, how you going? So, we're here in my shed. It's a little bit cramped right now. Got a lot of different projects going on, which means falling apart a lot of pallet wood and doing stuff on my benches, so there's not much space, but we'll make do. Essentially, I've gathered all the necessary bits of wood to do the wall feature and potentially even the bookcase once I remove the nails off parts in the corner. And now it's really finalizing the blending stage. So this means to the drawing board. So we need it to be 410 high and 120 wide. Yeah? Essentially, the plan is I got 3 wide boards that are 410 high. Yeah? I got 3 of these. I plan to place them down next to each other and then lay my pieces of pallet wood either across or diagonally to make a piece. So, for the sake of simplicity and saving on time, we're just going to go with laying them flat across. The simplest option is to lay out our 3 planks like so, and then put a plank down the bottom, nail it in, put a plank up the top and nail it in, and then after that put in more planks, nail them all in, and then cut any excess and overhang. It's essentially the plan. It'll be nice and simple. After that, well, I plan to color the wood. And then coat it in clear coat acrylic. Okay, so we've done, as you can see, finished the wooden backdrop for the office. It's actually reversible, technically. You can use either side. Obviously, you could paint it instead, or you could stain it, or you could even use like oil or lacquer. There's obviously a variety of different options that you can do for this one. I just went with the acrylic paint and the coloring because that's my personal taste, and you know, it's been a while since I've done that. I like doing that. Admittedly, the pieces of wood that I used weren't really in the best of shape, and I probably should have sanded them more, but I think it turned out alright. We'll see how it looks in the office and go from there. Here it is. What do you guys think?